Reflexive pronouns. Look at this sentence. Brittany is looking at herself in the mirror. Brittany is the subject of the sentence. Who is she looking at in the mirror? She is looking at her. So we say, Brittany is looking at herself in the mirror. Herself is a reflexive pronoun.
Reflexive pronouns indicate that the subject of a sentence is both giving and receiving the action of the verb.
Now look at the sentences.
Chloe bought herself a birthday gift. Chloe bought her a birthday gift. Herself equals Chloe. Her equals another person. Reflexive pronouns indicate that the subject of a sentence is both giving and receiving the action of the verb. They are normally located after the verb. If the object is different from the subject, an object pronoun should be used instead.
Let's see some other examples.
I behave myself at school. Be careful with that knife, you might cut yourself. He fell and hurt himself. The dog is scratching itself. We are baking ourselves a cake. They are enjoying themselves at the concert. Protect yourself from the rain by taking an umbrella. Reflexive pronouns are often used in the imperative. Yourself implies that you is the subject.
Please help yourselves.
There are 8 reflexive pronouns. They are myself, yourself, herself, himself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves. There is one reflexive pronoun for each personal pronoun.
Verbs like dress, shave, and wash, which describe actions that people do to themselves, do not usually take reflexive pronouns in English. With these verbs, reflexive pronouns are only used for emphasis. Daniel made his supper himself. Sometimes reflexive pronouns are not essential to the grammar of the sentence, but can be used to add emphasis in different ways. We use a reflexive pronoun at the end of a clause to emphasize that someone did something without any help from anyone else. No one else did it for him.
You can actually substitute the word alone for the pronoun in this case. When it is emphatic, the pronoun can be removed from the sentence and the sentence will still make sense.
Let's see some other examples.
I wrote all the songs myself.
You don't need to do the dishes. I'll do it myself. We can also use a reflexive pronoun together with the noun it refers to in order to emphasize it.
The film itself wasn't very good, but I loved the music. I myself have never visited Venice. He is doing his homework by himself.
We use reflexive pronouns with by to say that someone does something without any help from other people. that someone is alone.
Let's see some other examples. I'm painting this bedroom by myself. It's cheaper.
The children tidied their rooms by themselves. Alice lived by herself for 10 years.